Hey, I'm Jim from the Spa and Sauna Company. Here to talk about this handy device that I just love in the field. It's called the Spa Vac, and you may love it at home too. I don't know if you've ever had those times when you get all those little bits of gravel or whatever, bits of stuff that your kids or you have caught on your feet, and they get collected in the bottom of the spa, and they're just a real pain to get out. This guy's a lifesaver. He's vacuum actuated. You've got a little control valve on the back here. You put your thumb over, and that's going to hold the vacuum inside there. It's got a chamber here that's full of vacuum. We're going to put it into the water. We're going to aim it at the little debris that we don't like, and we're going to let our thumb off, and it's going to suck water and debris up at the same time. And we pull it up. Water goes out. But thanks to this handy dandy design, there's a little trap door in here that keeps the debris from going back out, and it captures it in this screen. And all it takes is just a few of these. Oh, there's some more over here. Get that. Yeah, a couple more over there. And all those unsightly little things are gone. And I'm ready to enjoy it. Hot Spring Spa Vac.